The 10 Best Mechanical Keyboards. Mechanical keyboards aren't only for nostalgia-loving computer geeks. A good, high-quality model can actually help you type more quickly and accurately than a typical membrane version. For those reasons, as well as the fact that, with more rugged components, they're made to last longer. They're favored by gamers and others who spend long hours clicking at the keys. The list starts from Havit HVKB395L-RGB. The Havit HVKB395L-RGB, around $57, looks awesome with its multicolored lighting, and feels great under your fingers, too, whether you're typing a paper or blazing through an RPG. Unfortunately, the keys are not individually programmable, so you'll have to stick with the presets. Very thin design, and key rollover technology, but body can flex under pressure. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is EagleTech KG011 Industrial. With its silver chassis, white keys, and blue backlight, the EagleTech KG011 Industrial, about $42, has a crisp, clean look that makes it perfectly suited to the modern office environment. Plus, it's splash resistant to help protect you from the occasional coffee spill. Adjustable rear feet, full numeric keypad, but not for hardcore gamers. You shouldn't miss this product's review. ASIO MG1K. This ASIO MG1K, around $69, is an elegantly designed keyboard that was also crafted with protracted use in mind. It incorporates a comfortable and detachable palm rest that helps reduce hand and wrist strain, while its anodized aluminum faceplate can endure near constant abuse. Adjustable white LED backlighting, easy access volume wheel, but wider keys rattle a little. Well, here is the seventh one. SteelSeries Apex 100. The SteelSeries Apex 100, APPX, $20, is the no-frills model that manages to capture the best features of an old-school mechanical keyboard, without the modern price tag of one. It's great for writers and programmers, and is built to withstand 20 million keystrokes over its lifetime. Laser-engraved letters and numbers, quick tension switches, but doesn't sit totally flat. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. WASD code 87. Great for typists, coders, or anyone else who likes a little depth to their keystrokes. The WASD code 87, about $165, features a relaxed design that puts it perfectly at home in almost any environment. It's highly customizable, and is available with the most popular switch options. Multi-channel cable routing system, rated for 50 million key depressions, but fairly expensive option. Now we will show you the fifth product in the list, Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. You can't get more luxurious when it comes to gaming boards than the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum, about $149, which offers some of the best performance and customization options of any out there. Dedicated one-touch controls give you access to volume, mute, media playback, and more. Detachable soft wrist rest 8 MB onboard storage. But Q2 software can be buggy. Customers are king, and according to them, one should buy this one. DOS Keyboard 4 Ultimate. While there may be more responsive or customizable models on the market, none are likely as beautifully crafted as the DOS Keyboard 4 Ultimate. About $168. The keys on this stealth bomber of a board come completely blank, if you so choose, giving you a typing experience like no other. Oversized volume knob, super speed USB 3 hub, but standout build quality. If you want cost efficient, this new one is for you. HyperX Alloy Elite. From a great-looking design that includes a unique 1.8 LED light bar to your choice of 3 cherry MX switches. The fully featured HyperX Alloy Elite, about $34, leaves little to be desired. It's especially ideal for media-heavy applications. thanks to its wide selection of controls. 3 sizes and 3 styles. Exposed steel frame, but optional textured keycaps. According to reviews, the second best product is Razer Sinosa Chroma. The Razer Sinosa Chroma, around $44, features a sleek, modern look that extends right down to the font used on the keycaps. But it also boasts the brand's pioneering switch mechanics, which helps improve responsiveness and speed, and was designed specifically for gaming. Rated to last 60 million keystrokes. Fully programmable, but water and dust resistant design. Now here is our best of best, the king product. Logitech G910G413 Carbon. With Romer G switches that are both very fast and highly tactile. The Logitech G910G413 Carbon, about $64, is designed for the quickest of fingers. With a highly durable and sophisticated aircraft-grade aluminum alloy cover. It's also made for the most refined of tastes. Includes keycap puller, USB pass-through port, but great value for price.